Yes. Your boy was able to secure the bag, you heard me? But listen, before I get into this, bro, listen. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you're notified that when I drop a video, you heard me? Listen, if you're new, man, I really appreciate you. Welcome to the channel. And if you've been rocking with your boy, man, I really appreciate you pulling back up. Listen, your boy went through a whole lot, bro, to get this, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was nervous, bro. I didn't hit on none of the raffles, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was calling people around trying to get a pet secured, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, basically, your boy was running around like a chicken with his head cut off. You feel me? But look, I was able to put in a little bit of footwork the next morning, you know what I'm saying, whenever they release. And I was able to come through with the prize, you feel me? So look, let's try to get this video here up to about 30 likes, you dig? And also, bro, I need y'all to go ahead and head over to SOLEPREMISE.com as well, man. Copy one of these 5 bags to put these sneakers you be buying, man, in. You feel me? Whether you're doing, you know what I'm saying, personal or business trips, man. These do fit on the overhead bin in the airplanes, and these are TSA approved, man. So go ahead and head over to SOLEPREMISE.com. Get you one of these nice tumble leather bags, man, to put these nice sneakers in. Use promo code Chaotic Kicks. Save yourself 30%. You feel me? Listen, your boy about to get into this box, man. You feel me? And bruh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? People realize, bro, like, it's the stories behind the sneakers that make you want to go after them so much, bro. You feel me? Real talk. Everybody know, like, if you ask somebody about their sneakers, there's always a story that comes with it. You feel what I'm saying? You know, I'm not going to get into too much of that today. You feel me? I catch y'all on another day, you know, maybe on a live or something, you know what I'm saying? I can run that to y'all. But listen, I'm about to go ahead and go over the sneaker as well. I will be bringing in the Blue Chill ones, the women edition. That way I can give y'all a comparison on both sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Because I do have those. You're probably looking at them in the background as I speak. But listen, man, I'm going to go over the colorway, the label, and all that there, you dig? So the label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Sail Obsidian University Blue. This is a size 10 personal pair, and the retail value of the sneaker was 160 bucks, man. If you can see it in there, man. You know what I'm saying? You dig? But enough of wasting the time, man. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the lid. You do have that quality control stamp in there, man. You dig? And yeah, bro. Hold up. Let me do like my boy the Retro Wiz Kid would do. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a whiff. And Retro, yes Lord, bro. These here all working out for me, man. They smell good. You heard? Real tough. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it does come with the regular standard white paper, man. You know? I don't see nothing else. I don't see no sticker off in the bottom of it or nothing like that, man. So go ahead and put this here, man. Put that there. Before I get into this, man, I'm gonna go ahead and bring these out here too. Like I told y'all, I do want to give y'all a comparison of why I'm gonna go over both sneakers at the same time. You feel me? As you can see, as for the bottom sole of the sneakers, this one has more of that navy obsidian colorway. As of for these right here, you got a hit of the more of that North Carolina blue colorway, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if it's like a icy blue, man, because it don't look like the blues on them, bro, are totally different, man. Like, I feel like this right here on the obsidian ones, man, the North Carolina blue is like more of the Tar Heel colorway, okay? Unlike the patent leather ones, man, it's more like a icy blue like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, man. Like, you can tell for yourself that these two are totally different. You know what I'm saying? Two different blues, man. But as far as the patent leather on it, you know what I'm saying, and the leather on these, they both seem to have that obsidian blue, like that navy blue that runs around the toe box of each one, and as well as the Nike swoosh on each side of them. They both seem to have that that obsidian navy blue on those too. As I can look up the tongue, you know, this one has that navy blue on the tongue, you know what I'm saying, and this is an all white tongue. But as for the tag on the tongue, the Nike blue comes in that North Carolina colorway right here. That Nike Air comes in that North Carolina colorway, as this one is a all white Nike Air colorway on this one. Man, for the insole, I'm gonna pull the insole out. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you can see on both of them. You know what I'm saying? As I can tell, both of them do have that Nike Air colorway sitting the same, you know what I'm saying? They the same in both, man, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna still try to show you on these too, bro. That way you got a comparison for the insole of the sneaker. They both have that Obsidian colorway and that Nike Air in North Carolina blue in there. You know what I'm saying? But bruh, both of these shoes are fire, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Whether you got the patent leather or the leather, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, they did make these here for the women edition, you know what I'm saying? And they finally was able to drop the men, bruh. And with that plush leather we've been waiting on, you know what I'm saying? I can tell, bruh, like, whew, bruh, it's so soft, man. So soft, man. You know what I'm saying? And as for the, you know, another thing I can tell, like for the wing logo on this one, you know what I'm saying? They just let it run with the whole icy blue, I guess, colorway on here. You know what I'm saying? All they done was just use the stamp of, look like they just pressed the stamp of the wing logo on this one. And as for this one here, you do look like they used that obsidian blue and stamp this one, man. You know what I'm saying? But bruh, these things are fire, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Your boy will lace these up, and I'm gonna give you an on foot. You know what I'm saying? I might even versatile it, man. Put one and one on each side. You know what I'm saying? That way you get a better look of both sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Or I might just do both on, man. But however I do it, man, y'all boys I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. The on foot, man. So with that being said, man, listen. I also got a couple of shirts made, man, to go with these sneakers, man. You know what I'm saying? If you could see for yourself, you know what I'm saying, your boy got his logo, you know what I'm saying? This would be the perfect shirt, bro, to go with these sneakers, man. If you can tell, bro, if you can see it, man. You know what I'm saying? Give a huge shout out to the homie JD, man. You know what I'm saying? He bought a shirt from me. He liked it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything in the description so that way y'all can follow him. He's a loyal subscriber, man. He been rocking with me for a while, and he also is an upcoming YouTuber, man. So y'all go ahead and give him a follow on Instagram as well as YouTube. And like I said, if you're trying to purchase one of these shirts, I'll leave my Instagram below. You can go ahead and follow me there, hit my inbox on there, DM me, and we can go from there. Like I said, these do go perfect with the Obsidian ones as well as the blue chill one. Whether you're a woman or a man, I got all sizes, you know what I'm saying, that can fit all for everyone, man. So if you're trying to rock with me, like I said, everything will be in the link in the description below, man. You can hit me up there and we can go from there. But other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.
Bye.